How to add titles in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and make sure you are in the edit page. This is where you will be doing most of your video timeline editing and where your titles are added. Next, go to the effects library located at the top left corner. Click on it and under toolbox, select titles. Here you will find different title options like scroll, text, text plus, multi-text and more. Here I'll create a title using the text plus option. You can choose any of the title type and drag it onto your timeline above the video track where you want the title to appear. The text plus option gives you more control and animation features, while the regular text is simple and fast to use. Click on text layer to open the inspector panel on the right side. If you don't see the inspector, enable it from the top right. Here, you can type your title text, change the font, adjust the size, position, color, and even add shadows or strokes. You can also keyframe certain properties like position and opacity if you want to animate the title in or out. If you want to add motion or animated titles, explore the Fusion titles under the same title section. These are pre-made animated templates that you can customize easily. Just drag and drop them like any other title. Finally, adjust the duration of your title by dragging its edges in the timeline to make it appear longer or shorter, depending on your video timing. And that's it. Now you know how to add titles in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.